let's get started. So first I have my wig head, the headband crochet cap. Don't forget your crochet needle. And last but not least, the Zury passion twist in 11 inches, 10 inches, and 9 inches. So now I'm going to show you the construction of the headband cap. So you see we have a comb in the back. We have a comb on each side of the headband. Okay, and then we have the Velcro backing. And let me tell you, this Velcro backing ain't playing. It is super strong. See, I'm struggling just to get it off. There you go. Another thing about this headband is it will tangle the hair if the hair gets caught on it. It's that strong. So be careful when you're using the headband. Now, as you get a closer look at the headband cap, you see the holes up top are a little smaller than those on the side. You can see they're a little bigger. Also, from the front all the way to the back, you see the holes are a little smaller. On the left and right, holes are a little bit bigger, and I guess that's helpful for better positioning. Okay, so I started from the back with the 11 inch, just so I have, more length in the back and have more of a layered look. So yeah, just get your crochet hook through the hole, close it, pull it through, and you see for the little hook piece, the loop, I'll open the loop a little bit wider so I can pull it through. Because if you try to pull it through without doing that, the hair gets all caught up and kind of ruins the spring twist. Okay, so this is the finished look with just the 11 inch. I put a little bit in the front towards the sides because I want a little length in the front. And I spaced them out between the different holes, probably 3 or 4 I guess holes or rows, so that the hair will stretch. Okay, I have now added the 10 inch. As you see, added some more in the back, up towards the front. And then I'm going to add in the 9 inch up on top and towards the middle. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. Again, I used the same spacing. Alright, this is the finished look. You see there are some open areas up top after I was done. Basically what I did is after I put the wig on, I did have maybe 4 or 5 pieces of passion twist left. So I added those up top. But yeah, you can see it looks pretty full. I only used 1 bag. And now I'm going to put it on and let you guys see how it looks. Okay, so because my head is small, I am using a wig grip because the wig cap is not small head friendly. I put the hair up in a ponytail. Now I already had the clasp connected because it kept grabbing the hair every time I put it on, which was so frustrating. So here I am putting it on, making sure you guys can see me. All right, success. Sliding and just getting it to fit on my head, making sure it's snug and on top of that wig grip. Now in the back, I'm just securing the comb, making sure that comb is sticking through under my wig cap and also underneath my wig grip. All right, and then I'll just continue with adjusting the combs on each side as well. Again, just want to make sure this baby is secure because I don't need no sliding. It was windy that day. I don't need this sucker coming off my head. All right, let's get the sides and those combs stuck in. And yeah, pretty much with this wig throughout the day, I didn't have any discomfort. As long as I had that back section down and secured pretty tightly, it pretty much stayed in place. All right. The one thing I like about this hair, it is really light. It wasn't heavy. And I got lots of compliments on this little wig here. Everybody thought I had just crocheted my hair when all I really did was just create this wig. There you go. See, it's looking really cute. Let me show you the back. You see that piece there? Yeah, that happened from the Velcro. It caught a hold of it. I'm just gonna cut that off. But yeah, this is the finished look. I like it. I think it's really cute. Now I gotta do something with these edges and put on some makeup. Bye. Let me know what you think and like my video. Bye.